Recording.
A zombie?
Yep.
Well, let me go first if there's any zombies.
Don't go now!
I just want to look.
Frank, come back.
Come with me, Mish.
No, I'm scared.
Don't be scared, baby. Oh, there's a.
Frank, come back.
I'm coming. I'm coming.
Frank,
I'm coming.
go back.
I don't see any.
Please.
I don't see any zombies, Misha. Oh, here's
Go
a putter.
Frank, I'm scared.
Misha, look at me. Turn around. Come with me.
I'm kinda scared.
Don't be scared, baby.
Frank, let's go back.
Okay, 1 second.
Frank.
Yeah. I'm looking for zombies, but there's no zombies here.
Frank, let's go back.
Okay.
I'm scared.
Okay, let's see if there's anything in the refrigerator.
Frank, let's go.
Okay. Okay.
Go.
Recording.
Frank, let's go.
You think the zombies are hiding?
Yep. No, don't go now!
I just want to look.
No!
How about if the zombies are good looking? How about if there's a pretty zombie? Someone left their sunglasses.
Frank, let's go back.
Okay, baby. I'm just looking.
I'm scared.
Okay, don't be scared. Misha, don't you see how fat I am?
Yep.
Yeah. You see I'm fat?
Yep.
Thanks. Oh, thanks for that. Who's gonna mess with a fat man?
I don't know.
No one's gonna touch a fat man. Okay, baby. You ready?